Hello everyone, I am Sonal and today I am teaching you how to make homemade strawberry jam. As you must have noticed that I have sore throat and I'm sick. I'm trying my best to keep up, so continue supporting me because when it comes to making delicious food, nothing can stop me. You can say I have a thing for jams and preserves, all those juicy flavors bursting in my mouth. I just love it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Strawberry jam is one of those things we have in our refrigerator at all the times. And as always, homemade is better. If you're lucky enough to have strawberry plants in your backyard, this is a great way to use the berry and create something you can store and enjoy for months. And for those of us without our own garden, the markets are currently overflowing with juicy red strawberries. Doesn't matter whatever season it is or what fruit is available, I always love to keep a jar of homemade fruit jam or preserve stored in a refrigerator so I can enjoy it throughout the year, even when the fruit is not available in that particular season. Trust me, whenever I open the door of my refrigerator, I see a rainbow. There is a row lined up with different homemade jams, which I of course love to gaze and eat. Homemade strawberry jam is the best way to enjoy all the fresh berries. It is so easy to make your own jams, only a handful of ingredients are required. This jam is perfect for spreading onto some homemade biscuits or breads, or use it as the filling for some French stuffed toast or as a topping for some Belgian waffles. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestions for my next video, do share it in the comment section below. Bye!